In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your cancellation policy on Fresha for the year 2025. Whether you're a business owner or manager, updating this important policy helps manage expectations and create a smoother experience for both you and your clients. Let's get started so you can ensure everything runs smoothly in your business. First, you'll want to either open the Fresha app or go to fresha.com. Once you're there, it's time to log in. Enter your email and password, then click on Log In. It's important to ensure you are logged in with an account that has the privileges of a business owner or manager. This will allow you to access all the necessary features we need today. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, locate the gear icon which signifies Settings. Click on it. Now, you may see options like Business Info or Policies. Depending on your interface, you'll want to select one of these options. What we're looking for is the Cancellation Policy section. This is where we can begin making the necessary updates. To edit your cancellation policy, you'll need to click on the button that says either Edit or Change Policy. This action will allow you to update the policy details to better suit your current business needs. Consider the following elements when you're editing. Notice period, such as requiring 24 or 48 hours notice from clients who wish to cancel an appointment. Also, think about any charges or fees you might want to apply for late cancellations or no-shows. Another aspect to consider is your refund rules, if refunds are applicable. When you're making these updates, keep in mind that clear communication is key. You'll want the policy to be straightforward and easy for clients to understand. A well-articulated policy can prevent misunderstandings and improve client relationships. After you've made all the changes you deem necessary, the next crucial step is to save those changes. You can do this by clicking Save or Update. This action ensures that the new cancellation policy takes effect immediately. It's important to note that this updated policy will apply to all future bookings. So if you have any immediate appointments upcoming, make sure the policy is clear to your clients to avoid any potential issues. And that's it. You've successfully updated your cancellation policy on Fresha, ensuring that both your business and your clients have clear guidelines moving forward. This not only helps manage expectation, but also improves the overall experience for everyone involved. Thank you for watching and implementing these changes. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.